Welcome to the drama-free zone, where the only thing getting heated is the grill. No debates, no stress, just good food, good company, and zero nonsense. Because nothing ruins a BBQ faster than too many opinions and not enough good vibes. The rules of the drama-free zone are simple. No complaints, no chaos, no overcomplicating the BBQ.
You sure you don't need one more layer of seasoning?
In the drama-free zone, we trust the grill master and focus on enjoying the food. The drama-free zone BBQ starts with a calm and confident grill master. No stress, no overthinking, just perfectly grilled meats and a whole lot of patience.
You sure that steak's at the exact right temp?
Because in the drama-free zone, we trust the process. There's one rule in the drama-free zone. Eat what you love, how you love it. Ketchup on steak? Go for it. Ribs without sauce? Fine by us. Even if it makes us cry inside, we respect everyone's BBQ choices. Things go wrong sometimes. But in the drama-free zone, we don't panic. We adapt. Burnt burgers? Grab a beer and make it a double? Chicken fell on the ground? That's why we have extra. Because in the drama-free zone, we don't waste time on bad vibes.
Okay, who made the potato salad?
Mac and cheese versus coleslaw. Potato salad versus potato salad. In the drama-free zone, we don't fight over sides. We just grab another plate. Because every side dish belongs at a BBQ. A drama-free zone. BBQ has the right soundtrack. No arguing over playlists, just good tunes that keep the vibe right. At the end of the day, a drama-free zone BBQ is about good food, good people, and good vibes. No stress, no fights, just BBQ as it should be. Because in the drama-free zone, the only thing we argue about is who gets the last rib.